go copy 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see in the title, you already know what this video is going to be about. So if you're not a beginner, still watch this, and you comment down in the description your thoughts on everything I'm saying right now. Right before we get into this video though, I'm gonna give you guys a quick wave check on like how I'm looking. You feel me? We all quarantined. I can't get no haircut, so yeah, enjoy.
Sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright, y'all, welcome back. That's how I'm looking. Okay. My waves, I'm not really feeling it because I didn't plan on going this long with my wolf. I'm like 9 weeks in. I was supposed to cut my hair off last week. And this whole quarantine thing, man, all barbershops are closed and no barbers want to come to your house and cut your hair because they don't want to get sick, this and that. And then if they do come to your house, it's gonna be like $200. It's crazy, man. So it's like I'm stuck. Like, I got a wolf, man, but I'm getting tired of it, so I might have to cut my own hair. We'll see. But y'all, let's get right into the video. Take out my phone. I wrote down some notes on what I was gonna be talking about today. All right, so we're gonna be talking about what you're gonna need in order to get waves as a beginner. All right, so I want y'all to know everything that I'm gonna be naming down this list. I'm gonna have them linked down in the description, and you will see everything that I named. All right, so first off, we're gonna start with a mirror. Okay, definitely need a mirror. Why you need a mirror? Because mirrors, they help you find your connection, help you identify forks and everything, and just know what you're supposed to be doing and analyze your waves. If you don't have a mirror, you're gonna have a lot of forks, and if you have a lot of forks, you're not gonna be flawless. Okay, next thing you're gonna need is a soft brush, medium brush, and hard brush. You need those three brushes because those three brushes are different texture brushes. They do different things to your hair. All right, so first let's start off with the medium brush. If you're just starting out, a medium brush will be the best textured brush for your hair because that's like a universal brush. You use it for when you're wolfing, use it for a fresh cut, use it for when you're like mid wolfing. It's like everything. All right, so use a medium brush to actually get the progress that you need. Start off by cutting it down to a 1.5, then you use a medium brush, blah blah. You do this, all that, and then once you start seeing progress, use a soft brush. Now we got the soft brush. Soft brush is gonna lay your hair down, lay the progress down right before you do a plastic bag method. Then, and you need a hard brush as a beginner because when you're wolfing, the hard brush is gonna help you maintain your wolf by actually pulling your hair and having it laying down the way you want, because a medium brush and a soft brush is not going to be strong enough to pull your hair while you're wolfing. That's why you need a hard brush, and also you need a hard brush because it's going to help you progress when you have a lot of hair. It's going to get down deep to your scalp, blah blah blah, and then boom, hard brush does a lot, especially when you're wolf. Yeah, that's why I said all three of these brushes do differently. So you can find these brushes actually on the 26 King Wavy website. Lucky for you guys, I have a discount code. Go copy your brushes, use my discount code 360juice26. You're gonna get 26% off the brushes, so might as well. All right, so do that. Link is down in the description below. Then you're gonna need a detangling shower brush. This with all the brushes, detangling shower brush is gonna be for your washing styles, like your wash days. Washing style also helps you progress when you're trying to become an elite waver, and when you're a beginner also. So detangling shower brushes, you could get one with a handle. You could get one that you could just put in your, like, there's a hole in it. You put your fingers in the hole, and then you just use it to comb your brush your hair down. That's when your hair is wet, and when you got the shampoo and you want to detangle your hair, it kind of like replaces the comb. It does the job that the comb does, but when your hair is in a wet stage. Okay, so guys, now when it comes to this one, you need a do-rag. The do-rag is gonna help compress your waves, help your hair stay laid, compress your hair down. A lot of people, when they're wolfing, you know, it's like an afro. When you wear a do-rag, it helps keep your hair down. All right, so that little fro that you got is gonna be compressed down. That's what the do-rag does. And also different types of do-rags does different things to your hair. If you get a silky do-rag, it actually makes your hair look silky. It adds shine to your hair. So that's why a lot of people, a lot of wavers, they love silky do-rags, because it does that to their hair. It lays their hair down and it adds shine to it. You guys want to get some silky do-rags? I got one on my head right now, 26 King Wavy, and he also has velvet do-rags also. Velvet do-rags are good for style, so you can have a silky do-rag on and have a velvet on top of it. Or if that's too much, just take this do-rag off and put a velvet do-rag on. The difference between a velvet do-rag and a silky do-rag is the silky do-rag is more secure. The velvet do-rag, it comes off, so it's not good to go to sleep with the velvet do-rag, because it's not as secure as the silky do-rag. So if you go to sleep with a velvet do-rag, it's gonna come off. Okay, it moves around a lot. But big difference between the velvet and the silky is silky is for progress, velvet is for style. So if you want to go out and, you know, show out and stuff, match, get a velvet do-rag, and boom, it matches your style. There's different colors and it just looks good. Velvet just looks good. All right, you guys want to get your velvet do-rag and your silky do-rags, go to the 26 King Wavy website. It's down in the description below. The link is down there. Click it. It's gonna take you over to the website. You want to get your do-rags and your velvet do-rags. I also have a discount code for those, which is 360juice26. 26% off, so go ahead and do that. Next, on top of that, you're gonna need a wave cap. A wave cap is for like people that wants to double compress. If you don't want a wave cap, you can also double compress with another do-rag. You put a do-rag on and put another one on, but some people complain that it's too tight and it gives them headaches. So wave cap will kind of help with that, all right, with less headaches, because it's not as tight as having two do-rags on. Wave cap is less tighter. It kind of like, it's not as tight as having another do-rag on, so it puts less pressure on your head, but it also does the same job as having two do-rags on. A lot of people like to have two do-rags because of the compression that it gives, and a lot of people like to have a wave cap and a do-rag because of it doesn't give them headaches. So next up, all my beginners, you're gonna need pomade, moisturizers, and butters, and oils. Okay, so if you want your oils and butters and moisturizer and all of that is down in the description. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna have all this stuff in the description. The butters and moisturizers and pomade is gonna be down into the 26 King Wavy category. All right, I have a discount code for those two, which is 360juice2020. You guys want to get your moisturizers, go to the website and copy yours. Use the discount code. I'm trying to help you guys out. So you need a butter and moisturizer because it helps change your hair texture. All right, so if you keep moisturizing your hair regularly, all right, you moisturize your hair. Over time, it changes your hair texture and it makes your hair look healthy. All right, so that's why moisturizers and butters are good. Pomade helps lays your hair down because of how thick it is. When you put pomade on your head, it's thick, lays your hair down, gives it shine, boom. But different types of pomades smell good, and some type of pomades smell bad. Not a lot of people like to wear pomade that don't smell good, because you want your hair to smell good. That's why I say 26 King Wavy pomade, because that smells amazing. Go get yours now. And when it comes to oils, there's a lot of oils in the market. You choose which oil you like best. I like to use castor oil. You can use castor oil. You can use any other type of oil, avocado oil, any tea tree oil, grapeseed oil, whatever oil that you like, and whatever oil that has the benefits that you're looking for. All right, so you have to read the stuff on the back of the oil, like the directions, whatever they have in their ingredients and all that. If the ingredients look good to you, then get that oil. All right, so when it comes to shampoos, That you're gonna have to do your own research. A lot of people use different types of shampoos that smell good, shampoos that have nutrients in there, all that. That's up to you. Type of shampoo I use is Shea Moisture. You can use Shea Moisture, you can use Cantu, you can use Gold Drip shampoo, you can use Head and Shoulders, whatever shampoo you like, you know, just use it. All right, so when it comes to shampoo, that's all up to you. But any type of shampoo you use to wash your hair, use that. You could also use soap too. That's like bars of soap that's meant to wash your hair with. Then you have comb. A comb, you definitely need a comb, because when you're wolfing, even when you're not wolfing, combing helps detangle your hair, helps break forks, helps do a lot of things. Lifts your hair up, get it ready for a brush session. Combing helps a lot. So depending on what type of comb you need, when you're wolfing, I would advise you to get a wide tooth comb, because it hurts if the comb is, the tooth is too close together. It's gonna hurt when you comb your hair. If it's wide, it's gonna really stretch it out and actually go through your hair really easy. All right, so wide tooth comb will be my best recommendation for you guys, and I'm gonna have down in the description a link to where you can get your combs. You get a wooden comb, you get a plastic comb, metal comb, whatever comb you like to use, whatever comb detangles your hair the way that you want it to be detangled. That's the type of comb you need. But it don't matter what type of comb it is, you just need a comb. And when it comes to this last one, guys, last one, all my beginners, when you're cutting your hair, if you're finished with a 6-8 week wolf, I want you to cut your hair down depending on what texture your hair is. If you're a medium hair waver, you need to cut your hair down to a 2 or a 2.5, because if you cut it any lower than that and you're a beginner, you're gonna lose progress, because your hair is actually not trained to the point where you could cut it down to 1.5 and your waves are still there. So you're gonna have to wait a while until you could actually cut down to 1.5 and have your waves still there. That's for all my medium texture wavers. Now all my coarse hair wavers are 1.5. Yes, you can do that because you're a coarse hair and your waves are different. Of course, it's different from a medium texture waver, but coarse hair wavers like me, we can definitely go down to a 1.5. If you really want to cut your hair, you can go down to a 1.5 or a 2 if you're a coarse hair waver. So yeah, when it comes to haircuts, medium texture wavers 2 and a coarse hair waver 1.5. That's good for you guys. And I want you guys, when it comes to the style of your haircut, definitely do a taper, like a temple taper, not too high, because if you go too high, you're gonna lose progress, because it's actually, when you're doing a taper, actually it's like a zero guard. They use a zero guard to fade out the part that you want faded out. And if you have it too high, you're gonna run into your waves, and then all the progress will be lost. And actually, your sides are actually the hardest to get waved up. So you don't want to, you know, get a high taper. Always get a low taper, like a temple taper. All right, and a shape up. That's all the haircut that you need. If you get a higher taper than that, you will definitely lose progress. So yeah, on my beginners, great tips for you guys. Just follow them, man. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful for all my beginners. If you're not a beginner, I'm gonna say this again, just drop down in the description what I should have added. Tell me what you think about this video. And all my beginners, please take notes and actually follow these great tips that I'm giving you guys, what you need for the wave journey. Now I got the links down in the description. If you need any of those stuff that I listed on the in this video, just go down to the description and just look for them. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Once again, appreciate y'all. Road to 30K. And I want you guys to stay safe and just brush, man. I know this quarantine is forcing y'all to wolf. That's good. All right, wolf and brush. Okay, keep your hair laid, stay brushing, put in that brush work so you can become elite. That's it for this video, y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.